Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about extension cords. And specifically about the extension cords, I want to talk to you about the wattage they can carry. Alright, so extension cords come in what's called different gauge wires, or AWG. And basically, the smaller the number, the bigger the wire. Most of your small two-prong extension cords are either 14 gauge or 16 gauge. And those are your lamp type cords. And they can only handle so many watts and only so many watts per foot. So you could have an 18 gauge extension cord that is 10 foot long, and it can be rated for 1500 watts or 15 amps. But if you get one that is 100 foot long, all of a sudden now it's only rated for 10. All right, the longer the wire in your extension cords, the longer it is, the less wattage it can use, because you have what's called resistance in there. So if you're going to be running extension cords for a long distance, you're going to want to get 12 or 10 gauge extension cords. All right. So check to see what you got. Think, how far am I going to have to run it? And if you're running having to run extension cords from a detached garage where you got a generator running into the house, you may want to think about getting some 10s or even some 8 gauge extension cords. All right? So check it out, do your research, do your due diligence, and figure out what it is you need to provide the power you need around your house. All right? So I'm going to put the link here to my Camp Patton Family Compound channel up here. Put a couple playlists, one up here, one down here, that you should be interested in and should help you out. All right? Take care. Keep adding to your preps and learn more. All right? Take care.